There is this reprogramming header. It is just holes. AVR programmers come with a female connector. These are 3x2 pins. You could solder them here permanently. I usually don't do this. I just plug them in the programmer. This is long side, short side, long side into the programmer. And then a short side on the board, provided there is a little tension on the cable. That is like this or like this. This tension will make contact between the 6 pins, and you are okay at reprogramming. When you're finished, remove, and it works like this.